Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to reassemble a Pyraminx. So this is a Pyraminx core. This is how it looks like without anything else. So first of all, I've arranged it in order which all should go how. So first I'm going to pair up all these pairs together, which is an easy job. Only if that breaks up you should do that, or if you shouldn't. I'm going to pair all of them. This is the edges, so I'm going to pair them easily just like that, or if it's just like this also it's gonna be okay. Either direction, the two colors are the same, so it's okay. So this is another edge. You can see the holes on inside, so I'm going to just put them together with the holes exactly in. This is not that hard work, easy work of course. And to adjust, I'm done. Then let me show you an introduction to the corner pieces. This is how a corner piece looks like, and it should be paired up with the cube. So I'm going to move the corner pieces aside and do all the edges. Now I'm going to assemble the corner pieces. So first I'm starting off with red, yellow and blue. So I see red, yellow and blue piece right here. Red, yellow and blue. So I'm going to put red on the red. I don't think that's the way, so I'm just gonna twist it. Nope. Twist it. Yeah, that's it. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Then I'm going to add yellow over here. So took the yellow piece, not this way, not this way, yeah, this way, of course. I don't think though, yeah. Still it shall go in between the red and the place. So then our final one is blue. It's easy to insert. And I'm done. See the first piece. This is how it should look like. Then I'm just gonna cover all the corners. I'm done with all the corners, and it's so cute now. And I'll be doing the edges. Onto this I'm going to add these edge pieces. First I'm adding this one, or else I'll choose this one. I'm gonna put them like something like, I'm going to twist this piece a bit and insert, then go in back. So it's gonna be something like this. Then I'm going to finish yellow first. So yellow and green. Oh, that was opposite. This one, yeah. So I'm gonna go to the center or somewhere else. Then just insert it, something like, oh no, I didn't get to it. And I'm gonna push it in. This is a hard work, of course, not like the last one. And I'm done. And the last piece is gonna be the hardest, so I'm gonna do it. And this is not that hard. And I'm gonna insert this or here, then take it with it, just like that. Yeah. Now we have the last layer. Well, it's like magnetic, of course. This is magnetic Pyraminx stickless, so it's magnetic. As you can see, it's just shaking and a pull. I'm going to, this time I'm not going to fix it like this, but the sideways. I'm going to insert it the sideways, then, oh no, I went to the wrong way. Anyway, let's correct it later. And this one also I'm gonna insert it like that so that I can correct it. You can do it in the correct way. If you did that one in the correct way, you can do this in the correct way, of course. But I did that in the wrong way, so I'm trying to bring this also in the wrong way. So we have this. Then I'm going to do this algorithm. Then insert this yellow piece back in. Something like that, which will solve them both. Then we have our last piece, the hardest of all. And I'm going to insert it by pushing this and pulling this piece right there down, and then pushing this in. That would work the best. And our Pyraminx is done. And it's still the perfect one. As you can see, It's still so much smooth. I can't say this is ruined. This is perfect. And thank you for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.